Welcome back, YouTube. So we're gonna go, the AC is not blowing cold. It's blowing kind of cold, and kind of cold is not good in the Florida weather. So we're gonna go to the truck stop across the street, take a little walk, and we're gonna go get some Freon, and then we're gonna clean the filters. This is like a how-to, so stay tuned.
Got it.
Big joint.
We got the charger.
See, cashier. She need to take a picture of it. That's the one we need. That has everything, so I don't have to buy, because this is like basically 2 cans.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then you have this, you have to buy this, and then it doesn't have the gauge. I need the one with the gauge, so I know if it's overfilled or not.
Bet.
So
we got
what's that?
Next guest over here. You taking a loan out on your house to get this?
Huh?
You taking a loan out to pay for this?
Yeah. This is expensive, right?
$106.98. You want them in a bag or something?
Sure.
Break through the goddamn bags.
Alright. Hello?
No, I don't know, way back.
Hey, when we're gonna get the Mustang up and running?
Camera.
We're gonna drain it. Get her done.
Get her done.
Drain it.
I know what's
Like
wrong
my
with
bank account.
it got no Freon in it.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no Freon. Yeah, I'm the cigarette guy. Cigarrillo. You know? Coming at you, babe. Coming at you. Welcome back, YouTube. So, I hooked up the refrigerant. It's full, so that's not our problem. See? So, I think I know what the problem is, so stay tuned. Alright, so under here, under your glove compartment, there is your blower. Okay?
For all trucks or?
Yeah, for all trucks. So basically, under this one, there's filters under here. I forget if there's 1 or 2. I think there's 2. And they need to be cleaned. And there's, it looks like a radiator. It's where the Freon goes through. Those things get clogged up with dirt. So in here, there's probably a lot of dirt. So you can't see it. We're gonna take this whole thing down. So there's 2 bolts. It's very simple. Take this down here like this. This is just regular pre-maintenance, and this was going to save you a couple dollars. It's just spending all your money at the TA or something. And I can already tell there's a lot of dirt in those filters. I can see it from here. So that's our problem. No flow. Oh, mad dirt.
Chips.
Chips. Okay. So here's your blower. Here's your blower. And here's your filters. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, that's wow. And I changed this like 7 months ago. Wow.
That looks like a
That's so bad.
like the dryer filters.
Wow, dude. No wonder why it's not blowing. There's no flow. So, oh, it got clogged in the bottom there. So I'm seeing it now.
Here's the air gun.
Wow, look, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Of course it's not gonna flow. No wonder why. I'm surprised we still had AC, to be honest. So let me
Did it catch fire or what?
No, it can't catch fire. It's gonna mess up your AC unit. All right, so let me go get the new filters because I do have them. I always carry some in the truck.
Oh, so you can't clean them, huh?
You can, but why clean them? You know, they're already deteriorated, and these only cost like $10 at the Freightliner dealership. welcome back YouTube. So AC is blowing really cold, like super cold, and turned out it was the filters. So AC is blowing cold. I've been running it for a while, since I did that video with the AC, and yeah, she's blowing cold, so I can't complain. So it turns out it was the filters were clogged, and without the filters you're not gonna have AC. So please share, like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, and I'll do an update video of what will happen to my truck. All right.